Welcome to your FastTrack training on ChatGPT for business. If you're wearing all the hats, marketing, sales, emails, content creation, you've probably wished for a second set of hands. Well, this is it. In this FastTrack, you're about to watch a lesson straight from our full AI Tools Decoded course. It's focused on how to use ChatGPT to save hours every week by turning your messy thoughts into marketing gold. Here's what you're going to learn: what ChatGPT actually does and doesn't do, how to write prompts that get results, a 5-step plan to start using it right away. Don't forget to grab the free prompt guide and workbook inside the course. And if you want all 4 tools, plus the reference guides, don't forget to check out the full version. All right, let's jump into the training. You're going to love how simple and powerful this becomes once you get the hang of it. ChatGPT, the creative and conversational powerhouse. If you haven't started using this yet, this is the place to start. This is where most people start their AI journey, and for good reason. ChatGPT is the most popular AI tool in the world. It's also the most misunderstood. Most people use it as a search engine. That's wrong. It's not Google, it's a creative partner. The secret to ChatGPT's success is understanding its personality. It's enthusiastic, creative, and always ready to help. It loves to generate options and explores ideas. Work with that energy. ChatGPT is your creative content co-pilot. It helps you say what you want to say faster, cleaner, and with more confidence. Here's a historic achievement worth noting. ChatGPT reached 100 million users faster than any app in history. Instagram took 2.5 years to reach that milestone. ChatGPT did it in 2 months. That tells you something about its power. ChatGPT excels in 3 main areas: content creation, blog posts, articles, social media content. It's like having a copywriter who never gets writer's block. Brainstorming, ideas, headlines, campaign concepts. It generates 20 ideas while you're still thinking of the first one. Communication, emails, responses, customer service. It helps you find the right words when you're stuck. ChatGPT can create in minutes what used to take hours. 20 Instagram captions with hashtags, blog post outlines and drafts, email sequence starters, product descriptions, and sales page introductions. This is speed and creativity combined. But speed without quality is worthless. That's why prompting matters so much. Let me give you an example of ChatGPT in action. Meet Sarah, who owns Threads and Dreams Boutique. On Monday, she gets a customer complaint. Her task: write a calm, professional apology for a delayed order. Offer 15% off next purchase. Results? She gets an empathetic response in 30 seconds that actually makes the customer feel heard. Wednesday, she needs social media content. Her task? Create 5 Instagram captions for cozy fall sweaters with trending hashtags. Result? Engaging content ready to post that matches her brand voice. Friday, she's launching new products. Her task? Write product descriptions for new winter collection. Warm, luxurious tone. Results? Compelling descriptions that sell because they focus on feeling, not just features. The weekend? She's building her email list. Her task? Draft welcome email series for new boutique customers. Results? A 3 email sequence that builds relationships and drives sales. Time saved? 8 or more hours a week. That's more time for styling customers and growing her business. But here's the key. She didn't just save time, she got better results than writing it herself. This is the real power of ChatGPT when used correctly. But ChatGPT has important limitations you need to know. Understanding these limitations prevents frustration and helps you get better results. First, it doesn't know your business unless you tell it your industry, customer type, brand voice, and values every single time. Second, it doesn't know your business context. It doesn't know your competitors, your unique selling proposition, or your customer problems. You need to provide this context. Third, it has no real information. The free version can't access current news, trends, or live data. Its knowledge has a cutoff date. And fourth, it doesn't understand better. If you say, make this better, it will guess what you mean. Be specific. Say, more confident and friendly instead of just better. Remember this, you're still the driver. ChatGPT handles the heavy lifting, but you provide direction, context, and final judgment. Think of it as a talented intern. Your intern can do great work, but it still needs clear instructions and supervision. Never forget this partnership. You're the expert, ChatGPT is the tool. Now let's talk about prompting that actually works. This is the magic formula for great results. Most people write terrible prompts. They say things like write a blog post or help me with marketing. That's like asking someone to cook something without saying what you want to eat. The formula is this simple: who you are, who you help, what you want, how it should sound, specific details. Here's a vague prompt that doesn't work. Write a post about saving money. Okay, that's very vague. Here's an effective prompt that does work. I'm a financial coach for freelancers. Write a short Instagram post about saving for taxes. Use a friendly but authoritative tone. Keep it under 100 words, include practical tips, and add relevant emojis. See the difference? The second prompt gets results because it gives context and specifics. Here's some pro tips. Be specific. Vague inputs equal frustrating outputs. Give details about tone, length, and style. Set the context. Who are you? Who's your audience? What's the situation? Define the tone. Professional, casual, funny, authoritative, friendly. Be exact. Give constraints. Word count, format, style guidelines. These are restrictions and helpful boundaries. Ask for examples. Show me 3 different approaches. It'll get you options to choose from. Master this formula and your results will improve immediately. I guarantee it. Let's recap ChatGPT with your action plan. Your 5-step ChatGPT mastery plan. First, create a strong prompt using the formula we learned. Spend time on this. A good prompt is reusable. Second, test and tweak it. Adjust until you get results. Don't settle for good enough. Third, save the good prompts. Build your personal prompt library. This becomes your competitive advantage. Fourth, turn one prompt into many. Adapt successful prompts for different uses. If an Instagram prompt works perfectly, modify it for LinkedIn. Fifth, practice 15 minutes a day. Consistency builds expertise. Make it a habit, not an event. ChatGPT is best for quick content creation, brainstorming sessions, social media posts, email drafts, and creative ideas. Remember these warnings. Always review and edit. Add your personal touch. Check facts independently. Maintain your brand voice. Use as a starting point, not a final product. ChatGPT is powerful, but it's not perfect. Your judgment matters. Your expertise matters. Your voice matters. To get into ChatGPT, just go to chatgpt.com and you'll see your prompting spot right here. This is where you may want to add, let's say, for example, a social media caption. I'm going to type in, I'm a fitness coach for busy professionals. Write an Instagram caption about the importance of morning workouts. Use an encouraging but realistic tone. Keep it under 150 words. Include 3 practical tips and add relevant hashtags. Make it feel personal, not preachy. Just click on the arrow, and when you do, it's going to recap what you want. And once you click the arrow, it's going to come back with your post. Some days the snooze button wins, but when it doesn't, morning workouts give you a quiet win before the world pulls you in 10 different directions. Here's how I make early workouts happen, even on busy weeks. Get your gear out the night before. No thinking required. Keep it short. Treat it like a meeting. And you get the idea. It's done everything that we've asked and provided tons of hashtags. Let's do another prompt, for example, and we'll pretend like we own a bakery. Let me go ahead and bring this one in. We're going to say where it says ask us anything. You'll see the ask us anything. And depending on if you're on the free or paid plan, you can add photos, attach tools. You can even talk to it via your voice on your desktop or your mobile phone. Let's go ahead and paste this one in here. And I want them to write me an email response. I'm a local bakery. A customer complained that their birthday cake order was wrong. We made vanilla instead of chocolate. Write a professional apology email that takes responsibility, offers a solution, free remake plus discount, and maintains the relationship. Tone should be genuinely sorry, but confident. Let's go ahead and click on the arrow. And here we go. There's your letter, our sincere apology, and a make it right offer. That is really cool. Now, you can even go into specifics. So, for example, if you use specific custom fields or you wanted to say, sign it your name, your bakery name, your phone number, and your email address, you could even put those into your prompt and make it work perfectly for you. I'll do one more example here, and this will be for a product description. Let's say I put in, I need a product description for a handmade candle. So it gives me a really good prompt. But wait a second, is this really what my candle is about? Small candle batch, candles poured by hand using natural soy wax. Is it really done with cotton wick? Is it really made this way? Is the approximate burn time what I really want to share? Is it in a reusable jar? What if it's a brand new jar? Does it have a scent? Is it a reusable jar? It's trying to help you along to prompt it better. It says, want to tailor this for specific scent. Now, let's give them some more detail. So we started with a basic prompt and we really got generic results. When we add more context and specifics, you can see an even better result. I'm going to add some more details here. I sell handmade candles online. Write a product description for lavender vanilla candle. Target customers are stress professionals who want to relax at home. Emphasize the calming benefits and quality ingredients. Keep it under 100 words and focus on the experience, not just the features. So you can see it went into exactly that. More details, more specific, and specific hashtags that were related to your request. If you look over here, we didn't even get any hashtags. We just got a general response. The most important thing to remember is the more specific you are, the better results you'll get. Context is everything. Always edit and add personalization. And then remember to copy and save your prompt. There's a little copy button right here where you can copy and save your prompts to a document. I would definitely recommend using a document or some type of note or Word document or Google Doc to save your prompts for reuse. As a business owner, you'll reuse them over and over again. Now, when you get onto the paid plan, they will have a saved in memory. So you can save certain things in memory, but I always recommend saving your prompts. You may want to use that prompt for another tool. So let's talk about Claude next. That wraps up your Fast Track on ChatGPT. Now you know how to create great content, write clear emails, and generate better ideas in minutes, not hours. Here's your quick action plan. Choose one task you do every week. Blog posts, emails, caption, anything that takes too much time. Use the prompt formula from the lesson. Test, tweak, and save. That's how you'll build your own AI-powered workflow. And if you're ready for the full training covering Claude, Gemini, Perplexity, plus tools and templates and walkthroughs, you'll find it in the complete AI Tools to Code It course. Your next step starts with one smart prompt. Go try it now.